Inasmuch as this men and these women, Alberto Jr. and Rhea, Gabriel and Jade, Eduardo and Jonalyn, Jonathan and Brendaline, Ian Paul and Christy, Alex and Rudilen, Raymart and Sheena, RJ and Edith, have in the presence of God before you as witnesses consented together to be joined in the local bonds of matrimony, and there to have given and taken their vows, have declared the same by giving and receiving of rings. I now, according to the ordinances of God in the holy state of matrimony, and by the authority vested in me, according to the laws of the Republic of the Philippines, in the name of our Honorable Mayor Cecilio Leong Hernandez, I do pronounce that you are now husband and wife. But therefore God is joined together, let no man separate. Ladies and gentlemen, mga kaibigan, mga kababayan, malugod po namin sa inyong pinakikilala ang mga bagong kasal, ang mga bagong mag-asawa. Kikilalanin po sila bilang una, couple number 1, Mr. and Mrs. Alberto Jr. and Rhea Carano. Talakpakan po natin sila. Ganon din po ang pangalawang couple, Mr. and Mrs. Gabriel and Jade Gregorio. Congratulations. Mr. and Mrs. Eduardo and Jonalyn Villa Ruel. Parang nagkakahiyam sa sila eh. Mr. and Mrs. Jonathan and Brendaline Gubat. Mr. and Mrs. Ian Paul and Christy Pauya. Okay? Mr. and Mrs. Alex and Rudilen Obal. Mr. and Mrs. Raymart and Sheena Azana. And last but not the least, Mr. and Mrs. RJ and Edith Manzano. Yan po ang lahat ng mga bagong kasal. At let us once again, let's give them a round of applause to acknowledge them as newlyweds. At congratulations po sa lahat ng kinasal ngayon. At dito po nagtatapos ang ating kasalan. Pagpalain po kayo ng ating Panginoon. Wala po akong nakalimutan sa tingin niyo.
Kiss!
Oh, yun! Okay, ganito po. Pag-andito ko si Mayor, this is how he does it. No? Ganito ginagawa ni Mayor. Magharap kayo. Sige o. Ayan. At maghawak ng kamay. Ayan. Parang merong kinakabahan sa inyo, ano? Ganito po.
First time.
Okay, pag sinabi ko na maaari niya ng hakan, no? Pag tama mo ng inyong mga labi, no? Bibilang mo ang lahat ng naririto 1 to 5. At hindi namin kayo pahihintulutang magbitaw. Hanggang hindi niyo naririnig yung number 5. Alright? Okay, huwag niyo madaliin. This is your moment. Wala ko kayong dapat ikahiya dahil kayo ay mag-aasawa na dapat kakitaan mo ng pagmamahal in private or in public. Ready na kayo? Sabi ni Mayor, mas maganda ho yung hindi minamadali, binababad, nagkakalas. Okay, titigan niyo ho yung bawat isa. And husbands, look at your lovely wife. That is the one that you will kiss all the days of your life, every now and then, every day. And for the first time as husband and wife, you may now kiss your lovely wife. Go ahead.
One!